Well, that's it right there. Leaning into the turn with your body will stand the bike up. So really that's the end of the video, but I have some more stuff I want to go over. I'm not an experienced track racer and I've never been trained in how to actually lean my body into a turn, but my amateur attempts did have an effect. Here's the graph of my results. Essentially, if you're going to be leaning into a curve, your bike is going to stand up. And the opposite is true. If you're leaning out of a curve, your bike is going to lean more into a curve. I had a single anomaly in my data. My first trial of leaning out of a curve was significantly more of a bike lean angle than the following four. But I reviewed the video and I realized that trial had me accelerating all the way through the curve. So there might be something to accelerating in a curve to get your bike to lean over more. Congratulations! If you have made it to this part of the video, you may consider yourself a masochist. In order to get the next level of masochism, you must watch the remaining video with all the pictures of all the trials of all the bikes of all the everything. Alright, peace out.
Bird